What's up, gang? I know it's been a while since we filmed a video, but Javen have been working lately. But today I decided to do, it's two pranks. Today I decided to do the vinegar prank, to where you put vinegar in a water bottle. You act like it's water. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and we're gonna get straight into the video. Alright, y'all, so don't mind the messed up makeup stuff on my face. I'm finna try to hurry up and put this vinegar in this water right here. So hard. What's up, y'all? So we decided to vlog today. And we finna go to the store. Yeah, I'm gonna drink. But if you want something, you can get it.
Ain't no sense if I can't have the whole thing.
You can have it.
Yeah. Come hot, man.
It's gonna get cool though, cause it's raining. What is it?
Man, you got to have that way. That's why I'm hot.
Okay.
Man, I'm touching stuff. Man, I ain't touching something. Man, shit. I ain't touching something. Hey, but anyways, how you on vlog? You ain't talking about nothing.
What I'm supposed to talk about? Where is on the way to the store?
I don't know what stove.
I mean to the snowball stand.
That's what I understand.
What happened?
Man, what it?
What, they got a recall on the water?
A recall.
Yeah. Oh, let me see if I...
Yeah, taste it, please. No, drink. What it say like?
I ain't taste nothing.
You ain't taste nothing. Why you made that face? You ain't taste nothing.
Cause I ate a pepper.
You had a pickle?
Yeah.
You had a pickle? Yeah, it tastes just like a pickle, huh? Huh?
No. Give me one, please.
You set me up. I know you did that.
Can I please get one?
Nah, that's why you ain't drinking.
I did drink.
You ain't drink nothing.
It tastes just like regular water. You just drink too much.
Man, it tastes like vinegar.
We don't even got vinegar at our house.
So I ain't got no vinegar.
We don't even.
Well,
we don't even use vinegar
how many
at
in
our
my
house.
water?
We don't use vinegar at our house.
How many getting their water then?
The people must be there. You better call up there to the factory.
Call no factory. You put that in there. I know you did.
We don't got no vinegar
I know
at our
you put
house.
that in there, man. Stop lying to me.
Only thing we got is hot sauce.
Household.
If that's the case, I could have put some seasonal in your water.
You probably would have.
Or some
I know you
Fabuloso.
set that up. I know you set that up. Fabuloso was trying to kill me. I know you set that up for this little camera and all that. I know that's why you
No,
want
we
to
was
vlog.
just vlogging today. Like,
No,
we
no,
haven't been
no.
vlogging.
I ain't trying to hear it. My tongue
You
said
won't get
fuck.
nothing but a copyright.
I ain't got no copyright.
Watch.
We ain't even famous.
They don't mean nothing.
Man, that man set me up. I thought we were cool, man. You just set me up. Hey, that's crazy. You set me up
Ain't
for
nothing
a
in
camera.
that water.
I gotta start smelling stuff before I drink, before I take anything from you. First Lexus and not some vinegar. Look at this. This man, I should have been new. Look at that water.
What?
Man, that water ain't clear.
That mean it's cold.
Nah, that mean there's something in it.
Whatever.
Man, you did that bad. I was thirsty, hot. You see me just moving that table for Lisa? So when you gonna say that's a prank? I know you pranked me. I'm wait.
I'm waiting.
Alright.
Alright.
Show you.
Show you.
Watch.
Watch.
Got something coming for
Got
you.
something coming for you.
Got something coming
Got
for
something
you.
coming for you.
Got something coming for you.
Got something coming for you.
Don't worry about it, people.
Don't worry about it.
I'm gonna be back with something hard.
Back with something hard.
You know I'm the
You know I'm the
yeah.
Team
Team J, you heard me?
J. You heard me.
Yeah, you on Team J.
You on Team
Don't
J.
even like this video.
Don't even like this video.
You did that bad.
You did that bad.
You tripping though.
I ain't tripping though.
Think about what I'm finna eat.
Think about what I'm finna eat.
I don't know what I wanna eat. Then my hands smell like vinegar now. They're gonna turn around right here.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of this video. We'll be back with some more soon.
Oh, so it was a prank, huh?
And